I carry you around with me, even when I'm on bended knee, though you wouldn't lift a finger when in anguish my chest heaved. I carry you around as though I think you carry me, like the rope between us crosses mountains, follows streams. Nakubeba moyoni, nikikuona nazubaa, nikaa bado wanitamani. Venye tuliachana kwangu nikaa jana kwako zamani. I carry you around like you're the only one I need, like the air has never lifted me, though without you I can't breathe. I carry you above me like a crown of thorns for all to see, as though you never turned on me, grew horns and rammed through me. I carry you with pride, with shame, in whispers and in songs unnamed. I carry you inside just like a friendly, piercing blade. One day, I'll carry you lightly, with a gentle smile that fades. How I crave that time inside, and day by day, I weave that braid.